Hi everyone, Namaskar. Myself Pawan Kumar with Understanding Mathematics. Today I am with continuation second to SI and CI and Outlook. Today we will discuss about difference between interest. This difference is asked normally after 2 years, after 3 years. So let us see how it is done. Difference between SI and CI for 2 years. We are aware that SI is equal to PRT percent and T is 2 year. So SI is equal to 2 PR percent. In the case of CI, it is P into 1 plus R percent की power 2 minus 1. Here also time is 2 year. So 1 plus R percent is taking power 2. Now based on a plus b का whole square, we open this 1 plus r percent का whole square. So it is p into 1 plus r percent into r percent means r percent power 2 plus 2r percent minus 1 plus 1 and minus 1 आपस में कट जाएंगे. इस प्रकार बचेगा p इंटू r percent की पावर 2 प्लस 2pp 2pr percent. SI is equal to 2pr percent and in CI also pr percent की पावर 2 plus 2pr percent is there. So 2pr percent will cut 2pr percent. Now the difference between CI and SI is p into square of r percent means साधारण ब्याज और चक्रवृद्धि ब्याज के बीच 2 साल पर ब्याज अंतर मूलधन और ब्याज की प्रतिशत दर के वर्ग के गुणन के बराबर होता है. This question is oftenly asked in the competitive examination. ये प्रश्न किसी न किसी प्रकार से आमतौर पर सभी प्रतियोगितात्मक परीक्षाओं में पूछा जाता है. इसलिए डिफरेंस का फॉर्मूला D इक्वल टू P इंटू R परसेंट की पावर 2 साल के केस में है, जिसे याद रखना अत्यंत लाभदायक होगा. Difference between SI and CI for 3 years. Here also SI is PRT percent, time is 3 years. So SI equal to 3 PR percent. And in the case of CI, again P into 1 plus R percent की power 3 minus 1. Because time is 3 years, so 1 plus R percent is taking power 3. Now opening 1 plus R percent की power 3 based on a plus b का whole cube. So calculations are explicitly seen here. And based on calculations, difference between SI and CI for 3 years comes P into R percent की power 2 into R percent plus 3 means difference between SI and CI for 3 years is giving a change of R percent plus 3 between 2 years and 3 years. साधारण ब्याज और चक्रवृद्धि ब्याज के बीच 3 साल पर ब्याज अंतर मूलधन और ब्याज की प्रतिशत दर के वर्ग के साथ साथ ब्याज की प्रतिशत दर प्लस 3 के गुणन के बराबर होता है। Here is the example. What is the difference between interest after 2 years if a person took a loan of 50,000 at the rate of 10% per annum SI and CI rate for 2 years? 2 साल बाद साधारण ब्याज और चक्रवृद्धि ब्याज के बीच कितना अंतर है यदि एक व्यक्ति ने 50,000 रुपये 10% सालाना की साधारण ब्याज और चक्रवृद्धि ब्याज दर पर 2 साल के लिए दिए। This question is very easy to solve based on percentage phenomena. Here we can see based on percentage SI is equal to 20% and CI is 21%. So difference is 1% because we have already discussed that principal is 100% and 100% is equal to 50,000. So 100% equal to 50,000, आमने सामने 100 एंड 50,000 के 2 जीरो से 2 जीरो कैंसिल होने पर 1% इक्वल टू 500 आता है। बेस्ड ऑन फॉर्मुलेशन डिफरेंस इज इक्वल टू P इंटू R% की पावर 2। यहाँ पर कंफ्यूज नहीं होना क्योंकि इट इज़ नॉट PR% का होल स्क्वायर बट इट इज़ रेड एज P इंटू R% की पावर 2। So putting the values, difference comes 500 rupees. Here we have shown in the tabular format also year, first year, second year, SI rate or CI rate, P for principal, T for time and PRT% is the formula for SI and total percent is total interest. So for first year at the rate of 10% SI is 5,000. For second year also it is 5,000. So 5,000 plus 5,000 making it 10,000. But we are aware that in the case of CI, interest on interest is also charged. So in the case of CI for first year, interest at the rate of 10% for first year is 5,000 and for the second year it is 5,500. So 5,000 plus 5,500 equal to 10,500. Explicitly, difference between interests is 500 rupees. Again, in the tabular format, we have tried to show it more clearly. Principal is 100%, so 100% equal to 50,000. That is why 1% equal to 500. So in the first year rate is 10%, second year also rate is 10%, and this 10% is same for CI also for the first and second year. Now in the case of CI for 2 years interest is 20% and in the case of CI interest is 21% because interest on interest is charged. So difference between interest comes 1% and value of 1% is 500. Now let us take one more example. What is the difference between interest after 3 years if a person took a loan of 50,000 at the rate of 10% per annum SI and CI rate for 3 years? 3 साल बाद साधारण ब्याज और चक्रवृद्धि ब्याज के बीच कितना अंतर है यदि एक व्यक्ति ने 50,000 रुपये 10% सालाना की साधारण ब्याज और चक्रवृद्धि ब्याज दर पर 3 साल के लिए? So this question is also based on the same concept, but difference lies after 3 years. So based on calculation, difference between interests is more. Based on percentage, SI is 30%, CI is 33.1%, so difference is 3.1%, and it values 500 into 3.1 equal to 1550. Based on formulation, difference between interest after 3 years, difference D is equal to P into R percent की power 2 into R percent plus 3. Now putting the values, difference comes 50 into 31 equal to 1550. Here again we have tried to show it more clear in the tabular format. First year rate 10%, second year 10%, third year 10%. So SI is 30%. But in the case of CI, it is 33.1%, and we have shown it how 33.1% is derived. 10% equal to 1 by 10, 1 plus 1 by 10 equal to 11 by 10, because LCM comes 10, and 10 plus 1 11 by 10. So as time is 3 years, so 11 by 10 is taking power 3. Now the cube of 11 is 1331, and cube of 10 is 1000. So it is clear that 1331 are the amount units and 1000 are principal units. So difference between amount and principal comes 331 divided by 1000 units, and we can write 1000 100 into 10. So 331 divided by 100 into 10 equal to 33.1%. So difference between SI and CI is here 3.1%, and based on values 3.1 into 500 equal to 1550 is the difference between interest. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. Keeping in mind the time slot, we have tried to minimize the number of questions and bilingual format also. धन्यवाद.